For years, the idea of a $25,000 Tesla felt like the golden ticket of the electric car revolution. A car cheap enough for the masses, powerful enough to beat gas cars, and smart enough to drive itself one day. People called it the Tesla Model 2. It wasn't officially named, it wasn't fully revealed, but it became the most talked about Tesla that didn't yet exist. Then suddenly, whispers started spreading across the world. Reports suggested Tesla might be changing direction, not delaying, not tweaking, replacing the idea entirely. Instead of launching a simple $24,990 car, Tesla could be shifting towards something completely different. Not cheaper, not smaller, smarter, and possibly fully autonomous. This wasn't just another product rumor. This was a strategy earthquake shaking Tesla's roadmap. So what really happened to the rumored $24,990 Tesla Model T? Was it cancelled, or was it reborn into something even bigger? Let's break it down. The dream of a $25,000 Tesla. Back in 2020, during Tesla's Battery Day, Elon Musk revealed something that electrified the entire industry. Tesla was working on a $25,000 electric car. Not someday, not decades later, within a few years. That announcement wasn't just exciting, it was terrifying for Tesla's competitors. Because if Tesla managed to build a cheap electric car with long range, it would shake the entire global auto market. Imagine this: a Tesla priced like a budget gas car, with lower maintenance, lower charging cost, and constant software updates. That's when the internet gave it a nickname, Model 2. Even though Tesla never officially confirmed that name, it stuck like glue. Soon designers imagined small hatchback shapes, compact city designs, minimalist interiors, affordable builds, and suddenly, the $25,000 Tesla became the most anticipated car on Earth. Why the Model 2 was so important? The Model 2 wasn't just another Tesla, it represented something bigger. Mass adoption. Tesla had already dominated premium EVs, Model S, Model T, Model Y, but those cars were still expensive for millions of people. At $25,000, Tesla would unlock new markets: India, Southeast Asia, South America, parts of Africa, and even budget-conscious buyers in Europe and the United States. It would turn Tesla from a premium EV brand into a mass-market giant. Think about it like this: the Model 3 made EVs popular. The Model 2 could make EVs unavoidable. That's why investors watched closely. Competitors panicked quietly, and fans waited impatiently. But behind the scenes, reality was getting complicated. The real problem: making cheap EVs is brutally hard. Building an affordable EV sounds simple, but it's not, because batteries are expensive. Very expensive in most electric cars. The battery pack alone makes up 30% to 40% of total costs. So to build a $25,000 Tesla needed breakthroughs in battery chemistry, manufacturing speed, material costs, factory automation. That's where Tesla introduced the 4,680 battery cells. These larger battery cells promised lower production costs, better efficiency, simpler manufacturing, but scaling them wasn't easy. Manufacturing delays happened. Optimization took longer than expected, and the dream of a $25,000 Tesla began drifting further into the future. Not cancelled, but postponed, like a rocket stuck on the launch pad. The rumors that started the fire. Then came the moment that sparked headlines. Reports from multiple sources suggested Tesla was shifting focus away from the low-cost car. Some insiders claimed Tesla paused development of a small-budget vehicle. Others suggested Tesla was prioritizing robotaxis, not regular cars. Self-driving cars designed to run as automated ride services, instead of selling cheap cars to customers. Tesla might operate fleets of autonomous vehicles. That idea changed everything, because a robotaxi could generate money every day, not just once when sold. Suddenly, the conversation changed from, will Tesla build a cheap car, to, will Tesla replace the cheap car with a robotaxi? Elon Musk's real vision. To understand this shift, you have to understand Elon Musk's long-term thinking. For years, he repeated one phrase: autonomy changes everything. If Tesla perfects full self-driving technology, cars won't just be transplantation, they'll become income-generating machines. Imagine this: you own a Tesla, you go to work, your car drives itself around the city, picking up passengers, making money, then returns home at night. That's the robotaxi dream. And if Tesla builds a cheap robotaxi, it could be worth far more than a cheap personal car, because revenue matters more than price. The replacement model theory. So here's where things get interesting. Tesla didn't necessarily cancel the $25,000 idea. They may have transformed it. Instead of a traditional budget car, Tesla could release a next-generation compact vehicle designed for automation, optimized for manufacturing, built for robotaxi fleets. Some insiders believe Tesla's upcoming compact platform will focus on maximum production efficiency, minimal parts, ultra-fast assembly. Tesla even revealed manufacturing concepts showing Cars assembled in sections, then combined like puzzle pieces, fewer steps, lower cost, higher speed. That's not cancellation, that's evolution. The Gigafactory's future cheap vehicles won't rely on one factory. They'll depend on multiple Gigafactories, including Texas, Mexico, China, Germany. Upcoming Gigafactory Mexico is particularly important. It's designed for next-generation vehicles' high-volume production, lower manufacturing cost, and many believe this factory is where the true successor to the Model 2 will be built, not as a small experiment, but as a global-scale machine, producing millions of vehicles per year. Why Tesla might skip the $25,000 car? For now, here's the cold truth. Tesla doesn't just build cars. Tesla builds systems. If building a $25,000 car slows down robotaxi development, Tesla might delay the cheaper car, not abandon it, delay it. Because from Tesla's perspective, a self-driving fleet is more valuable than cheap car sales. One robotaxi could generate tens of thousands of dollars annually. That changes the math completely. Competitors are watching closely while Tesla rethinks strategy. Other companies are moving fast. Brands like BYD, Volkswagen, Hyundai are pushing into affordable EV territory, especially BYD, which already sells budget electric cars in massive numbers. That creates pressure. Because if Tesla waits too long, someone else could dominate the affordable EV market, and Tesla rarely likes losing races. The real truth about cancellation: here's the reality many headlines ignore. Tesla rarely cancels ideas. They reshape them, refine them, rebuild them. The so-called cancellation of the $24,990 Model 2 might not be a cancellation at all. It might be a redesign, a replatform, a rethinking of priorities. In other words, not dead, just evolving. What the new model could look like if Tesla launches a replacement. Instead of Model 2, expect something like compact size, minimal interior, central display, few buttons, maximum automation readiness, and possibly no steering wheel option in the future. Yes, that's how bold Tesla's vision could be. When could it actually launch? Predictions vary widely. Some estimates suggest 2026, 2027, or later. Much depends on battery cost reductions, self-driving progress, factory readiness. Self-driving progress, factory readiness. Tesla moves fast, but not blindly. The bigger picture: so was the $24,990 Tesla Model 2 cancelled? Not exactly. It may have been replaced by something bigger, not just cheaper transportation, but a smarter mobility platform. Tesla isn't just building cars anymore, it's building a new way to move the world. And whether the next vehicle costs $25,000 or drives itself without a driver, one thing is clear: the future Tesla is planning is not just about affordability, it's about autonomy, and the road ahead is still accelerating.